something happy in my ear.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the soon approaching and very expected Valentine's Day. This video is also especially for Simonetta, who asked for a simple, natural look, but at the same time sexy. Simonetta, you need to wear red lipstick if you want that sexy doll.
Lips I dare to meet. Baby, you would never do that wrong to me. Leave me wanting in the cold foreboding stream.
A mixture of these two colors,
up by now. We're never gonna show them how our love doesn't falter. Laid up on the altar of time.
Use any white color with the shimmer to highlight the eyes. I will use this one from a Dior palette. And here we come to the most important part, which is the lipstick, the red lipstick. I will use Givenchy number 5 to outline my lips, and then I am going to use this red color, Russian red lipstick by Mink. To emphasize on your eyes, you can add a black, or in my case Nero Vulcanico from Chanel, just very close to the lashes. I want to use Tom Ford rosy powder into this brush.
See your cool reflection. There's no smile, no secrets left to pass. We are the ones who make the choice.
Any pink blush that you've got at home.
Use a honeyed voice to say.
Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.